Tonight we just gonna learn some simple courses in the keyboard. We are taking this song so many years, yes, by Esther. We are just going to learn how to play the intro, only the intro for that song. And as you know, it's a little bit complicated, but with God on our side, everything is possible, just as you can see. So I'm going to play that song, Sonoyi intro. I'm going to play the intro for you on key F, that's F major. I'm going to play it in F major. So if you are, let me say, if you are watching or you are also learning, try to pick up the courses from your key F major. Yeah, so I'm going to play the intro on key F major for you. So the ye nipa share here, just that song. Okay. How do I keyboard? So I'm gonna start the intro. Let's see. Yes, I'm starting the intro from me when you are playing F major. We all know that when you are playing key F major, it becomes your me. You understand? So I'm starting, not that I'm even starting. The song started, or the intro of the song started from key A, which is me. So I take the intro for you. Just as simple as that. This is all the intro for the Somnoye. This is how the intro starts. So I'm going to take it faster so that you see how it moves. Yeah, so it goes this way. As you can see, just as simple as that. So this is how you are going to play it. For you to play that intro, you start from your me. You start from your me, which is A. So the first part of the intro is starting from, let me just say, is Do, the tonic so far for Do. That is where you are playing the first intro. You know, when you are playing the Do chord for key F major, you can play it, you can choose to play F, C, F, A, C. You can play this one, or if you also want, you can play A, C, F. It's the same thing. You understand? So let's assume that this is Do for key F. This is Do. So this is where the intro is going to start. And this particular key is key A. It's key A. And the tonic so far for that key A when you are playing F major is Mi. So it starts from Mi so do. You understand? It's Mi so do, Mi so do. So you start from Mi. You understand? So this is how you play only the Do chord. You understand? So it goes Mi so do 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 so do, just like that. You understand? So you take the first part of the intro this way from your Do chord, which is Mi so do. So Mi so do. This one too is a second part of the intro, which is So. This is So chord. This is So chord for F major. So when you finish, let's assume that when you take your first chord, understand? This is how it is played for the first tonic so far. You understand? So when you finish mi so, you understand? When you finish this one, you come to C. That is so, you understand? That is so for F major. So from your do, you come to so. You understand? So I'm going to take all of them completely so that you see how it is done. So it goes this way. You understand? You take the so chord. Re, so, la, re, so, ti. Just still like that. So that is how it is played. And the second part goes like this. So I'm going to take the first part, second part before I go to the third part. You understand? And this one is re, ti. You understand? Re, re, ti, re. Re, re, ti, re. You understand? You understand? So from re, re, ti, re, you come to la, la, so, la. You understand? So you take sola, sola, which is CD. You understand? When you are from your let me say re, ti, re, you come to your sola, sola. You understand? So this is how you are going to go by it. You understand? Re, 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 ti, re, sola, sola, fa, la, si, fa, la, do. You understand? Fa, la, do. You take so, 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 re, so, 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 re, so, re, ti, re, ti, re, ti, re, ti. You understand? Re, ti, re, ti, re, ti, re, ti, mi, so, do. So I'm going to take it all slowly so that you can see how you should go by it. So it goes this way. Simple as that.